Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make this simple kielbasa and 3-cheese tortellini soup, and it's perfect for winter. It's hearty and it's going to be full of vegetables. It's super easy and it's a great weeknight dinner. If you like quick and easy recipes, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Okay, so the items you'll need are kielbasa sausage, minced garlic, onion, Italian seasoning, oregano, green beans, carrots, diced tomatoes, 3-cheese tortellini, and spinach. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is cut our sausage so that we can start sautéing it. Now I'm going to start cutting my onion, but I don't want to dice it. I want to leave it into bigger chunks. I prefer a bigger piece of onion in my soup. I love these because they're already fully cooked. I'm just trying to get some of that good stuff released so that I can go ahead and saute my vegetables in there. I sometimes add a little bit of water too, just to create some steam and have them release more oil. Okay, now that they've browned enough, I'm going to go ahead and remove them so that I can saute my vegetables. Oregano and Italian seasoning. We're now going to add a little bit of garlic. So for my chicken broth, what I do is I warm up some water and just throw a little bit of the chicken bouillon in there. Okay, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and add our sausage back in and bring it to a boil. Okay, so once your soup comes to a boil, you'll go ahead and add your 3-cheese tortellini. You're going to give this a quick stir. The very last thing you'll add is going to be your spinach. So now we're about to turn it off, so we'll just go ahead and throw our spinach in there and let it wilt. I hope you enjoyed another one of my easy recipes. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And come back next week. I'll have something else for you.